All right. Thanks very much for joining Carl's Music. You're welcome to Carl's Music. And then today I'm gonna teach you something very simple. Yeah. Um, Simple chords. 3 chords. Yeah. Simple 3 chords that you can use it and will spice up your play. Thank you very much. So before I do that, if you have not subscribed to Carl's Music, just click on the subscription button. For me, we want to hit 1K and then move higher. So just click on the subscription button and then you're good to go. Thank you very much. Okay, now we're gonna use this song. Father, we declare and we love you, we declare everlasting love of you. This simple song. So we're gonna use, so let me first play the progression. Very simple progression with the major chords, with some minor chords. Yeah, major and the minor chords. Yeah, so let's go. So okay, so Father, we declare and we love 3 6 we declare 4 everlasting 5, then back to 1. Very simple progression. Okay, let's go again. Father, we declare and we love you 6 really 4 everlasting. So today is just only, yeah, so Father last one declare, then 3 and we love A, D minor, E declare, B flat major, C major, and then 1 F major. So you can play it this way, but this is just minor and the major chords. Yes, the minor and major chords. I want to introduce chords, 3 chords. Sorry, 3 chords. We have on the one, we have F major. So instead of playing F major, play F sus2. What is F sus2? F suspended 2 is F, G, and A. Do, re, so, yeah. So, and on the left, the root of the chord is F, so, yeah. And number 2, we have another major chord on the 4, which is B flat major. So on the B flat major, play B flat sus2. You get it? Yes. And the last major chord is C major. So you play C sus2. Right? C, D, and G. Then back to 1. So instead of playing F major, B flat major, C major, play F sus2, B flat sus2, C sus2. So these are the 3 chords that I want to introduce to you. Yes, we are just applying the suspended chords on the major chords. Yeah, we are applying the suspended. I mean we can apply it on the minor chords like this, right? You can play something like that for the minor chords, but just apply it on the major chords for now. We will move to another level next time. So now let's do Father, we declare, like what we did first, and then we will introduce the suspended chords on it. So get ready. 1, 2, go. Father, we declare that we love you. We declare everlasting love of you. Again. Father, we declare that we love you. We declare everlasting love of you. Okay, so get ready. So F sus2. This is B flat sus2, right? I just inverted it. I inverted it. Right? Father, we declare that we love you. We declare B flat sus2. C sus2. F sus2. Again, let's go. Father, we declare that we love you. We declare everlasting love. So now, let's try to combine both major chords and the suspended chord. So I can play the major chord, I can play the suspended chord. So let's go. 1, go. Father, we declare that we love you. We declare everlasting. Yeah, so thank you very much. This is what I want to show you today. Yes, and I hope it really helped you. We're gonna move slower, we're gonna move a little bit, sometimes faster, slower, yeah, but I hope it will help you. So thank you very much. Catch you up in the next video. Ciao.